Yay, I catch the mosquito. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do this little makeover on myself. I'm going to change my eyebrow and make it into a straight one because currently I have this like a weak lanky eyebrow that I don't really like, and it's pretty small. I feel like it's too small for my face. So yeah, let's see what happens. So I'm basically going to pluck it up myself and all that stuff, you know. So the first step before starting everything is to draw out what kind of eyebrow that I want. And so in here, as you guys can see, I am drawing out the shape that I want. So the shape that I'm looking for is something straight, and it's just something that I never have before. So yeah, I'm just kind of curious to see what happens. I mean, the brows are gonna grow back, so I just feel a bit adventurous in that way. So yeah, I'm just drawing it out, basically, you know, outlining everything from the root to the arc and then to the end. How's it going to be, so I know exactly like where to, you know, finish the plucking and all that stuff. So now that I have drawn everything, so I'm just going to grab my tools and start plucking. First off that I have is, of course, the I don't know what is it called in English. I think it's called like a clip or something like that. And oh my god, it hurts. It really hurts. So yeah, basically I'm kind of just plucking every single hair, and I keep, you know, having this pain as well. Some of them are very long as well, so that's where the pains comes from, basically. So yeah, I keep, you know, taking a pause and just, you know, taking in all the pain and stuff like that. And now so yeah, basically I'm just plucking, and then sometimes I need to clean it up as well. There are some like hair residues there, so I need to clean it up with the cotton and then the cotton bud as well, and then I have to continue on plucking. And not to mention, like, the whole time the mosquito is like so bothering me. Okay, I think in this case I'm kind of done. The next step is I need to clean it off again, basically just really remove every bit of hair residue there. And I think this is like the starting shape that I kind of looking for. Okay, so now that I have gotten the shape that I want, the basic shape that I want, let's just continue on drawing the rest of the shape. So this is kind of like halfway done, and so I'm just going to elongate the shape of my eyebrow so that it's a lot more, it's a lot longer and just thicker as well. And I don't really like my previous arc, so I kind of just want it to be, you know, straight. And to be honest, this is kind of thick because I really just wanted to see like how the shape would look like if I were to draw it. And yeah, that's basically the shape that I'm looking for, which is very long. I'm actually kind of like, I wish I could do thicker, but unfortunately my eyebrow is just that much, so I can't really have like a very thick eyebrow. But this is good enough. This is kind of close. This is kind of close to what I had in my mind. Yeah, and this is the before, that's the after. Yeah, I would say it's pretty good. Okay, so now let's continue to the other eyebrow. So again, I'm basically doing the same thing. Draw it out first, draw the outline first. How do I want the shape to be? So okay, that's the shape, and now I know where to like which part of my eyebrow that I need to pluck. And basically what I'm doing here is to kind of just balance it out with the other brows so that I know that they are even and nice. Oh, okay, I'm actually like really nervous about the left side of my face because for some reason the left side of my face is super painful. Ow, oh my god. Yeah, it's like I don't know why, but it's more painful on the left side of my face. Like when you do anything on the left side of my face, it's just more painful. So yeah, I'm just basically plucking it all. I'm doing the same thing that I did on my right eyebrow. I had enough. The mosquitoes are like really bothering me. But yeah, I'm kind of halfway done. So let's continue plucking. Okay, so I'm actually almost done. I think the shape is like kind of there. It's just that I need to cut the hair of the eyebrow so that it doesn't elongate like that. But basically the plucking is done. So I'm just cleaning up the residue again. Same step as the first one. There are like still some little bit of thin eyebrow hairs left, so I'm kind of just, you know, cleaning it all off. And yeah, I think we're good. I think I'm done. So yeah, that's the basic shape, and now let's draw the shape that I want. Again, I'm just elongating. I kind of removed the arc that I used to have, and yeah, basically just elongating. Okay, I kind of messed up the drawing here a little bit, but I think I'm going to just clean it up with the spoolie. It happens all the time when we mess up our eyebrow drawing. We just use spoolie to kind of fix it up. Okay, so I think this length is pretty good. I do feel like the left side and the right side is like not really balanced. I mean, again, I'm kind of just doing this on my own, so I can't expect like a professional quality. But yeah, let's just try to fix it with spoolie and let's see what happens. Okay, brushing everything with spoolie. So I like to brush my hair, my eyebrow hair upwards. I just feel like that way it's looking a lot more natural. And oh wow, I think it's, yeah, I mean it's not really the same. It's not really balanced, but I guess it's okay for now. Okay, so now I let my hair down, and this is how it looks like. This is like the final product. To be honest guys, I kind of like it, and not to mention like I just cut my bangs, so it kind of goes well with the new eyebrow that I have for myself. I love it. This is so cool. I love it so much. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you think about this new eyebrow. Bye!